This is the behind the scenes of what it's like to be a nurse influencer slash run my own small business. Once a week, I have a sitter that comes and takes over watching my kids. So I'm able to do whatever stuff I need to for social media and my business. Don't get me wrong, I am doing this stuff throughout the week as well, but this gives me a solid time frame each week that I can rely on to get stuff done. So I usually get ready right when she arrives so that way I can record any get ready with me videos. This morning I filmed a curly hair video. I also did an empties video. I got a new brush for my curly hair and my curls have been turning out bomb. I also had to film an ad for Fabletics. So this is me filming that ad. I had to do one reel and one story set. And I loved this jumpsuit, but I also loved this hibiscus color scrubs. So stay tuned for that ad. I'll be posting that in a couple days. It actually turned out super cute. So I'm excited for you guys to see it. I don't think people realize how much time it takes to film, edit, go back and forth with email. It's by no means hard, but it is time consuming. I definitely spend a lot of time editing and filming, emailing, engaging with you guys, and then planning out content for the future. So this took me a while to film and edit. You have to make sure you're going through the briefing for the content and you're not missing anything. And then I'll sit down and edit. I was also going over last minute details for my course that launches tomorrow, getting everything finalized, sending out last minute emails for my email marketing, ate a very super quick lunch. And I was able to sit down and record a couple more videos. And then I spent about another hour editing everything. And I wrapped up my day in bed editing this video.